the US administration is feeding volatility in decision making, is delivering volatile news flow, and this volatile news flow driven by volatile decision making is driving volatility in markets. So that the metric to watch is whether there is a stabilization in volatility of decision making or whether it's the new normal.
And you've talked about the unwind, at least for some investors, out of the US and into Europe, even mentioning in a recent interview movements of physical gold out of the US into Europe. Is that a trend that is continuing, Stefan?
Well, people who do move physical assets from the US to the rest of Europe do not make a lot of noise about it, and they don't communicate publicly about it. What I can tell you is that as the US is developing in a way which is not really recognizable compared to the environment that we were used to, as the rule of law is being shaken, as the decision making is being fundamentally redefined, some investors are revisiting the way they allocate their global assets. And many investors across the planet are either moving their assets from the US to the rest of Europe or not renewing their investment or reducing their exposure to the US until the dust settles.